Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this impact socket adapter set. So these are super handy. I have some tools in the garage and they have like some of them are half to whatever. Like I have a bigger ratchet and then but it only has the 3/8 end on it. So with these you have different adapters. So I could take my big socket and I could stick it in here and have a smaller, put it in my smaller socket there. So it's easily adapted to those, and you have all these different ones. So multiple times I've had to, if I was in a tighter area and I had my big socket, but it would only have the 1/2 inch or whatever, it only have that available, so I couldn't get into a tight spot with my socket that I wanted to use because I didn't have an adapter that I could use these. So these are super handy. I'm going to show you guys. I have my toolbox in the garage, and it's just a lot easier to have these available. I don't know why, because I had a set. It came with a whole bunch of tools, but it didn't have these adapters, and these make it so much easier to work with, so much nicer that you can actually use all your sockets with all of your ratchets. So I'm going to show you guys that real quick. Okay, so I have this tool set here, and it came with this nice big one. This is a 1/2 inch, but I wouldn't be able to use any of these sockets that I want to, because these are all 1/2 inch and didn't give me an adapter to be able to use those. So with this, I can simply, and I couldn't use any of my smaller ones either. I couldn't put the smaller one on there. So with these, I can go all the way from 1/2 inch down to a 1/4 inch and use my smallest one in there if I need a little bit more torque. And the same goes with this. So I have this little one. It's down at a 1/4 inch, and I wouldn't be able to use half my sockets here. So with the adapters, once again, I can go from a 1/4 inch to 3/8, and then 3/8 up to a 1/2 inch, and then boom, I can use my big socket. So if I need to get into a tight area that I wouldn't be able to get into normally with this one, because it's a lot bigger, then I get in there with this ratchet and handle business. So super handy. I don't know why this set wouldn't come with it, but I've had like a lot of different tools and they don't come with adapters, so you could actually use all of them with all your things. It just doesn't even make sense to me. So that here is why this little impact socket adapter set is super handy for anybody that's got tools out there. Be a great Father's Day gift. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll catch you all next time.